Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Zoom Workspace App connecting problem. Firstly, try checking your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and active internet, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to another network. For mobile data, check that you have a strong signal. Secondly, verify and update the Zoom app. Open the Zoom Workspace app, then check for any available updates in your App Store or Zoom website. Download and install the latest version, as older versions may cause connection problems. Thirdly, you can try reinstalling the application. You install the Zoom Workspace app from your device and visit the official Zoom Download Center on your App Store or website and download and reinstall the app to ensure you have a fresh installation. Also, clearing Zoom cache and cookies might help. And finally, restart your device. After completing the both steps, restart your computer, phone or browser and launch Zoom again and try signing in. Just a tip, if the issue persists, check the Zoom service status page to make sure Zoom servers are not experiencing downtime. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.